National Weather Service has issued Special Marine Watch number 543, effective until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time. This watch includes the following marine locations including Intercoastal City to High Island, Texas out 20 nautical miles. Remember, a special marine watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of marine hazards including waterspouts, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.